No, what is the reason for not extending the compensation?
Lump sum ex gratia was not given to him.
What is the reason?
Yes, the reason is that the mandatory is that since it is alleged that it was unnatural death, so FIR was must to be done. Number one. Secondly, postmortem was essential, my lords, which was not done.
He says accident.
No, my lords.
A snake bite, Lordship.
Huh?
A snake bite.
Suspected bite. Sorry.
Petitioner had come before your Lordship for payment of lump sum ex gratia compensation amount, Lordship. The husband of the petitioner was a traffic porter in railway, Lordship, and during
Traffic?
porter at railway crossing 54A Hajipur, Lordship. Earlier also, your Lordships were pleased to hear this case and order the respondent to file counter, Lordship. They have filed also. And
Where is the scheme of compensation?
my lord, that is annexure 5 and 5 by 1, Lordship.
Why?
5 and 5 by 1 of my petition, page 41, Lordship. And
41.
my lord, of main petition, Lordship, writ petition,
First of all, you are an employee.
my lord,
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
What traffic?
traffic porter.
Porter.
Traffic porter.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah, an employee.
Right.
Then why he has not been extended?
My lord, although the remaining benefits have been given to him, the late Sahib Kumar, who died, he was appointed in the year 2007 and within 1.5 years after, my lord,
Died on 24/12/2009.
he died, and this is very surprising, my lord, that lordships may kindly see it is written in the station diary. Although the benefit frequently para 3 subpara 2 of page 2, my lords, of counter affidavit after the
No, what is the reason for not extending the compensation?
lump sum ex gratia was not given to him.
What is the reason?
Yes, the reason is that the mandatory is that since it is alleged that it was unnatural death, so FIR was must to be done. Number one. Secondly, postmortem was essential, my lords, which was not done.
He says accident.
No, my lords.
A snake bite, Lordship.
Huh?
A snake bite.
Suspected bite. Sorry, it is said that suspected.
Evidence, snake bite.
My lord, that is in Annexure 1 and 2, Lordship, and in their counter itself, they have accepted that he died due to
No.
snake bite, Lordship. Can
We
you see,
have
Lordship?
not accepted it. My lords, your lordships may kindly see.
Lordship, your Lordship may have pleasure to see Annexure R by 3 of the counter filed by the respondent, Lordship.
R by 3.
My lord,
R by 3 is simply provision, my lord. We are not denying that ex gratia lump sum is not to be paid, but the essential is to file a FIR to show that what was the reason of the death. My lord.
Who is the author of annexure R3?
my lord, this is the doctor, Lordship. Lordship, bottom I am reading, Lordship. Found him dead due to a snake bite, Lordship. This is annexure of the opposite party, Lordship. Before that also, Lordship, annexure R1 may kindly be seen, Lordship.
No, which is the spot?
No, Lordship, it is
He died
in hospital, Lordship. First he
sir, snake bite was
at the workplace, Lordship.
place.
My lord, the railway crossing, Lordship, 54A, Lordship, that is railway crossing number 54, accepted, Lordship. R1 is written, Lordship.
No, he is not a government doctor. Dr. Vaiket.
My lord. And
My lord, everything will be clear, Lordship. First read annexure R by 1 placed by the opposite side, Lordship. And annexure 1 and annexure 2, that is there some record, Lordship, clearly stated that died due to a snake bite, Lordship.
No, it is not. Your Lordship, I may be permitted to state the real state of affairs, my lords. Actually,
So Annexure R1 is, who is the author?
A station adhikshak Pur Madh Railway Hajipur, abhi pramanit, Lordship.
R1 is a station diary, my lord, where it was informed that someone is conscious, gateman at 54 A gate, the gateman is unconscious. And when they sent there, it was informed, they were informed that the local persons, someone had taken him to the Sadar Hospital. Sadar Hospital, the report of Sadar Hospital may kindly be seen, R2 at page 33, my lords. At page 16. This is the prescription of Sadar Hospital who referred, your office may kindly see in the last, or the suspected snake bite, as the persons carrying the late Sudhir Kumar informed that probably
What was the age? What was the age?
30 years, my lord.
Then if you are suspecting that it is not a snake bite, then what is the outcome? On what basis he died?
My lord?
Sir, he is aged about 30 years.
Yes, my lord.
What is the natural death? What is the cause?
Suspected snake bite, but whether he was poisoned by someone or whether that was the heart attack, due to the...
No, they are saying that snake bite.
They are saying, but no one is confirming, my lords.
According to you, who has to confirm?
My lords, this postmortem was required to confirm the reason of snake bite, my lords. Snake bite or the
No,
reason...
he has died in village and all postmortem. Where is the question of postmortem?
Yes, my lord. There was question of postmortem. Your lordship may kindly see...
Sir, in village, can you subject him to postmortem?
No, Hajipur, my lord, in Hajipur,
He died in Hajipur.
there is a Sadar Hospital and they went there, preliminary they were treated in some unconscious state.
Correct,
They
but-
went there and they referred them, lastly, referred to medical examination PMCA, medical emergency PMCH Patna for a specialized management. Had they gone to PMCH, then certainly after death, when the postmortem was due,
They are illiterate.
no, my lords.
They are literate.
But they had gone to the Sadar Hospital, my lords, where they were referred to they were illiterate. They could have contacted the concerned railway administration. My lord, this is very surprising that someone and the hot haste they made its cremation, last rites.
We have replied in
At about 11 a.m., my lord, he was found unconscious, and at 2 he gets a medical certificate by a pediatrician, not a medical.
What is the date of his death? He died on what date?
My lord, 24/12/2009 हुई, 24 December 2009, Lordship.
What is the date of your application for
I-
the compensation?
My lord, I have stated
2013, my lord.
before that also I have made many applications, Lordship, but
Show us one application in the year 2010.
in para 6 I have stated, Lordship,
That statement is not sufficient.
my lord, that is annexure, Lordship.
Is there any application demanding compensation in the year 2010?
And Lordship, they have given appointment to the petitioner on compassionate ground, Lordship. They have themselves accepted everything, Lordship, but now on this matter they are denying the fact. Kindly see, Lordship.
Compassionate appointment to whom?
His wife.
Petitioner, Lordship.
It was given.
My lord.
He is office superintendent.
That is sufficient. Why compensation? Because the compensation application is not within the reasonable period of time.
My lord, I have annexed Annexure 3 series lordship.
This was the reason why
Many
the CAT
applications
has
made before the authority concerned lordship on very technical ground, that is not everything. 24/9/13 का application lordship, 24/9/13, that is Annexure 3 at page 34 lordship.
Snake bite was at what time?
My lord, that is also, they have written in counter, their counter lord.
Not counter, you have to say.
It was duty hour 8 बजे से 16 बजे के बीच का टाइम लिखा हुआ है वो.
After death of this employee, how much you paid to the employee?
Well, this is page 2 of the counter I will make kindly. After the death of late Sudhir Kumar, DCRE, death retitle gratuity of rupees 56,607, leave encashment of, since less than 2 years he had completed his job, leave encashment of rupees 19,340 and general insurance rupees 15,305 and family pension applicable under the old pension scheme in this case were paid in favor of wife Mrs. Kansan Kumari, that is petitioner. Further, she was also granted compassionate appointment and at the present she is office superintendent in commercial department.
How do you explain delay?
Pardon,
Okay,
lord.
delay.
Lord.
2009 death, 2013 or 14?
I have always consulted the authority concerned by giving applications lordship.
There was one application, sir, 2010,
13 of 2013, that is before your lordship,
2010.
that is not present.
Then you are not entitled. After 4 years is nothing but
And lordship, Annexure 8 may kindly be seen lordship.
tail claim cannot be entertained.
Annexure 8 may kindly be seen lordship.
A8.
8 lordship. Similarly situated person on the ground of delay had been paid lordship by the order of the CAT lordship. Annexure 8 lordship. That starts from page 8 lordship, and the relevant portion is page 63 relevant portion lordship. 63 lordship.
What is the date of death?
May
In the Renu Devi case, what is the date of death?
हम केवल एक
Oh,
पैराग्राफ
1/3/2012.
लॉर्डशिप, हम केवल एक पैराग्राफ आई एम प्लेसिंग बिफोर योर लॉर्डशिप, ओनली वन पैराग्राफ लॉर्डशिप. Hence denying such benefit on technical grounds even when there is no doubt about the occurrence of the eventuality entitling the grant of such lump sum compensation is against very letter and spirit of the scheme. I therefore direct the respondent authorities to release the applicant the ex gratia payment payable in case of death of an employee occurring due to accident in course of performance of duty within 3 months from the date of issue of this order. The way dispose of this order accordingly. So they are taking a very hyper technical ground lordship that.
Sir, 4 years can't be condoned, sir.
But we were approaching lordship.
What is the date of compassionate appointment application?
That is not presently before us, lordship. But we have.
Appointment was given on what date? Because that you don't know. What is the date of compassionate appointment?
That is also not with presently with. But they will answer that when they have provided.
They have not come to the court. You have come to the court.
My lord.
Answer.
Sorry, lordship. That is, but just after some time they have given.
Then when you can ask for compassionate appointment, why you did not agitated for compensation? That shows that you have created documents.
Petitioner has always agitated lordship. They are annexure of 13 lordship. That is annexure 1 and 2 lordship. the railway higher authority have given this document lordship, annexure 1 and 2 lordship, clearly stating अकेले गेट पर अपने रोस्टर के अनुसार ड्यूटी कर रखा था और उसी में लिखा हुआ है कि रोस्टर के अनुसार ड्यूटी करते हुए सांप काटने से मर गया।
No, compassionate appointment was given on what date?
Exact date I cannot say.
There are no pleadings.
But immediately after the death of the compulsory appointment that was.
So we have to presume immediately.
No, my lord.
Then how can you make such submission, very vague submission? That is relevant for the purpose of claiming compensation. In order to see the conduct of the petitioner,
Maybe adjourned for a short date, my lords. I shall give the exact date of his compulsory appointment.
and counsel for the respondents are hereby directed to apprise the dates and events in respect of compassionate appointment, application and use of order of appointment to the petitioner on the next date of hearing. In the meanwhile, petitioner is hereby directed to produce any document to show that she had requested for compensation in the year 2010.
अगला
4 weeks.